Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Have you ever had guests show up at the last minute and no idea what to serve? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're making a fruity cake that's quick, easy, and guaranteed to impress. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, beat 120 grams of butter with 60 grams of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add the first egg and mix well until incorporated. Add in the second egg and continue to mix well. Now add 100 grams of strawberry jam and mix until smooth. This gives the cake its lovely fruity flavor. Sift together 150 grams of flour and a quarter teaspoon or about 1.5 grams of salt. Gently fold the flour mixture into the batter until just combined. Then add 40 grams of milk and mix just until the batter is smooth. Don't overmix. We want to keep the cake soft. Now transfer the strawberry batter into a piping bag and set it aside. Next, prepare another batter using apricot jam, following the same steps as before. Transfer this to another piping bag. With both batters ready, pipe the strawberry-flavored cake batter into a lined rectangular pan, about 26 by 18 centimeters. Place some fresh blueberries or any berries you like on top. Then cover with the apricot-flavored batter as the final layer. Bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before adding the frosting. For the frosting, place 250 grams of mascarpone in a mixing bowl and add 100 grams of apricot jam. Mix them together using a hand mixer or a sturdy spatula until smooth. Pipe the frosting onto the cooled cake and decorate however you like. Slice and serve, and that's it. Our fruity cake is ready. So next time guests surprise you, you'll know exactly what to bake. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe for more easy bakes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.